In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest pureed vegetable soup for weight loss. Simply combine these vegetables into either an instant pot or a large stock pot and cook for just a few minutes until everything is tender. Then you're going to puree. The vegetables that I like to use for this soup include chopped carrots, celery, and onion, also called Mirepoix. Then I add either some broccoli or cauliflower and a few potatoes. To give this dish some protein, I add either cooked beans or cooked lentils. To give it a nice cheesy flavor, I add some nutritional yeast along with a little bit of lemon juice. And instead of adding vegetable broth, I just put a little bit of yellow miso paste or vegetable broth paste. Then to give this dish some creamy, fatty texture, I do add a little bit of cashews, which are totally optional. Next, I add a little bit of seasonings like garlic powder, herbs, spices, any type of flavoring that you want to give your soup. Then I cover the soup with some water, and then I cook it on either the stovetop for about 30 to 40 minutes, or if you have an instant pot, I cook it at 7 minutes, high pressure heat. Then I do a 10-minute rest and then natural release. This soup is so great for weight loss because it's quick, easy, and you really don't even have to chop anything because you're pureeing the soup at the very end. Having a pureed soup already ready to go in either the freezer or the refrigerator is ideal for weight loss because it really does help you get a lot of vegetables, a lot of protein, and doesn't require a whole lot of chewing or meal prep. If you follow the Daily Dozen, like I do, this soup is perfect for the Daily Dozen because it includes servings of cruciferous vegetables, regular vegetables, legumes, and nuts, all in one delicious dish. You can puree this soup with either an immersion hand blender, which you can stick directly into the pot, or let the soup cool for about 10 minutes and then transfer it to a high-powered blender if you really want that creamy, velvety texture. Serve this soup in a bowl with either some cracked black pepper, a little bit more seasonings, with a side of bread, or however you prefer. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, check out my other hearty, delicious weight loss soups, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.